Hello, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up to date about this channel. So let's go! What is quiet mode? Quiet mode lets you automatically post your Instagram notification every day during the period you choose. Now, we will activate the quiet mode Instagram. Click on your Instagram. Tap on your profile pictures on the bottom right. Click on the right up corner. Choose Setting and Privacy. Click on Notifications. Click on Quiet Mode. Now, tap the toggle next to Quiet Mode to turn on or turn off the Quiet Mode. You can settings the start time. I will settings the start and the end time like this. Now your quiet mode is active. So when you're in quiet mode, you can still use Instagram and send and receive message. Your activity status will be changed in quiet mode. And the green active dot will change to a moon icon. People who message you will get an auto reply that explains you won't be notified about their message during this time. So that is how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up to date about this channel. Thank you and see you!